This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making stir-fry chicken in sesame oil. Let's start by cutting up the aromatics. We will need 5 slices of ginger, and 2 stalks of spring onions. Separate the white and the green parts of the spring onion. This is a large chicken that has been chopped up into pieces. Heat up 2 tablespoons of sesame oil over medium heat. Put in the ginger and the white parts of the spring onions. Fry them till they are fragrant. Now, add in the chicken. Fry the chicken till most of it turns white. Next, pour in 100 ml of water. Five tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine, 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of dark soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Let this come to a boil. Then turn down the heat and let it simmer. Cover it and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. At the end of 15 to 20 minutes, most of the liquid would have been absorbed. What you're left with is some gravy at the bottom of the pan. Taste and adjust for seasoning. Turn off the heat. Toss and stir in the green parts of the spring onions. This is stir-fry chicken in sesame oil.